Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to use the LSPS plugin to get Lightning inbound liquidity. I will show you here the LSPS plugin on our plugin directory. You can see it here. And as you can see, it was contributed by Megalithic, and I will show you now how to install it. Okay, first we need to go to Manage Plugins. Then in the search bar, we will just search for LSPS. And here you can see the plugin from Megalithic. We will install that. You will see you need to restart BTCPay now. This will take a short time. So you may see the screen until the restart finished. Okay, now it's loading again and we are back. So you select the store you want to use to test. And now you can see here the plugin Get Lightning channel. Okay, here you can see you need to first configure your Lightning node. So what this means is you go to Lightning wallet, use internal node, save. Okay, and now you can also see the menu item here. So we go here and then you select connect to Lightning service provider, but you can also choose which one you want to use. Megalith is the default one, but you can also choose Olympus or Flash sets, which are the only ones currently supporting the LSPS 1 protocol specification. So I hope more will join and we have a bigger list here. But for the time being, let's use Megalith, connect to Lightning service provider. And now you can choose how big of a size you want. There are also advanced options. You can make the channel private, which also works, but you need to enable root hints and stuff like that. So public channel is the way to go if you have an publicly reachable online store anyway. You select the capacity of the inbound. So it's 1 million Satoshis. So that would mean about 690 euro or dollars or something like that. Okay, get the price. Now it shows you the invoice and is waiting for a payment. You can see it costs like 18,000 Satoshis. Okay, I paid it. Okay, and the payment went through. You will now need to wait 3 blocks until the channel is open and 6 blocks until the channel is publicly announced. So now it's just waiting, but then you will see everything will be set up. Okay, the block should now have been confirmed, or at least 3 blocks. So we can check if the inbound liquidity is here. Let's go to our RTL. So server settings, services, write the Lightning. Click here. Now we go to peers and channels, and we should see Megalith ISP has also opened the channel to us. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on Telegram or on our MetaMask chat.btcpayserver.org. Thanks for listening.